Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, ft.Citro, here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a brush header. And this is a collaboration with Crispy. And making the width 1500. And then go the height 500, and it'll create a nice, good looking header. So to start off, we want to create the white. So let's get the white out. Then make an empty layer, take off the white layer, and then open your photo layer or anything, or just go to the download and go to the pack. So then I will provide you with this brush effect. So then when you're done, you need to duplicate this about just once. Just do as what I show you. So then do this, and go to the, just resize it to right here, and then do it the same thing, but then do it, put this one down here, and then duplicate this one, use the same one, and then resize it, and put it right here. Just right after or right below the other one that you just put. So then after you're done, I'll show you what to do next. So then you keep going, create the other one. I mean the last one. So there we go. Then what you do next is you duplicate this. Then you would I think, yeah. No, you do the second one black. So then go to the pixel lab, or select pixel, then go to fill and stroke, put it in black, and then go to the next one, that is this one, and press select pixels, and then go to fill and stroke and put it black. So then after that, go to your first layer, duplicate that. Then what you would do is you would go to transform, then flip it. And then when you're done, go to the next one, the second black, and then duplicate that, and then go to the transform, and then flip that. And then go to this third one, duplicate that, and then go to transform, and then flip it. And then the last one, duplicate it, go to transform, and then flip it. And then after that, go to the bottom layer, turn this blank one off, then turn this white one on, and basically you're done with the brush header effect on the header itself. So then after you're done, just press merge down on all the layers, and then all you have left is this. So now what you need to do now is get your letter or word you have from Pixel Lab. I have Crispy because I am teamed up with him. So now fill and stroke, or select pixels, and then go to fill and stroke, put it black, because this is the main text and everything's white. So now you want to merge down with this, then resize this to whatever you want. I'm going to size it up to where I like it, so then it would be noticeable to look nice. So you can twist it, turn it, whatever you want, but kind of keep it symmetrical to whatever design you're making. So like make it small, little, large, whatever, but just try to keep it in small form. So then after that, you want to duplicate this, make this a little bit bigger, and then put it right behind it, if I ever can. There we go. Then you would do a small amount of opacity to right there, then duplicate this, and then make it a little bit more bigger than the other one. Then there you go. Then drop the opacity to like around 5, and then you're done basically. Then after that, after you're done with the text, you want to merge down every single thing, merge visible. Then go to your brightness and contrast. Go to contrast and turn it to around 12, and turn your brightness down to around here, and you're basically done. So now what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of what you call it, the roundness, your vignette, and then put it like around there. Then go to your open layer. I will leave a link to this light leak, and then put that down. Press linear dodge. Keep it open like that. Transform this to where it'll look nice. There it is. So then I'll do it fully. There we go. And duplicate this. Then go to your transform, flip it, and then go to a little bit larger, and then open it up like that. Then drop the opacity on this to around 30, 38, 39, and you're done basically. Then drop the opacity on the vignette to around this much, and you're done. So now let's go press save, and then you want to save this to gallery, go to PNG, finish it off, and then we are going to head it up to Polar to finish touches for the header, and we'll be right there in a minute. So when you have headed to Polar, you want to press open photos, go to your PS Touch folder, and press the header you picked. I'm going to kind of speed through this, so you'll see the process. I have made a video on how to do your HD quality designs, so go to that video, follow that, but do it to your design that you have created. So then I'll be back and I'll just speed up this whole process. So once you have done all of the editing of your photo, it will look like this, kind of, but you can edit however you want it, but this is how I wanted my brush header to look. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video so much that it will be very popular on the mobile designing tutorials videos in the world, and I want you guys to learn a lot from this and make your design as better than mine. So I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe to Crispy, and please subscribe to me, and I'll see you guys later.